Unlock the secrets of lustrous hair, the magic of hair masks. Hello, lovely learners. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just about the beauty of language, but also about the beauty of hair. That's right. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the term hair mask and why it might just be the knight in shining armor for your hair care routine. So, grab a seat and let's give our hair the attention it deserves. Imagine giving your hair a spa day. A hair mask is essentially a deep conditioning treatment that is richer and more nourishing than your standard conditioner. It is a creamy mixture designed to deliver intense moisture and repair to your hair. Just as a face mask revitalizes your skin, a hair mask works to condition, hydrate, and treat your locks to maintain healthy, vibrant hair. Now, you might wonder, what's in this magical potion? Hair masks are typically made from a blend of oils, butters, vitamins, and other nourishing ingredients. These ingredients penetrate deeper into the hair shaft, offering benefits like repairing damage, reducing frizz, and even promoting hair growth. Think of it as a nutritional boost for your hair. Applying a hair mask is a relaxing and beneficial ritual. The general recommendation is to use one once a week or a few times a month, depending on your hair's needs. To apply, you typically coat your hair after shampooing. Leave it on for a certain amount of time, often between 5 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it out. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in the health of your hair. Not all hair is created equal, and the same goes for hair masks. There are masks for dry hair, oily hair, colored hair, and so on. It's crucial to choose a mask suited to your hair type for the best results. Whether you have curls that crave moisture or fine hair needing volume, there's a hair mask out there that's perfect for you. And that's a wrap on hair masks. We hope this video has shed light on how this powerful product can transform your hair care routine. Remember, a hair mask can be your hair's best friend, giving it the care and nourishment it needs to shine. So go ahead, treat your hair to a little extra love, and it will surely thank you with a healthy glow. Keep learning, keep shining, and see you in the next video.